In this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to build a professional and cohesive client onboarding system for your freelance business. Let's get started. I'll begin by setting the stage and giving ChatGPT a specific role. I'll open up my pre-written notes and copy my initial prompt, which defines me as Josh, a freelance content strategist. I'm instructing the AI to act as my onboarding document creator, keeping the tone professional yet warm and easy to follow. I'll paste that into the message bar and hit enter. You can see ChatGPT immediately identifies the goal and outlines the principles it will use, like being clear and simple, which ensures all our future documents stay on brand. Now that the assistant understands the mission, I'll move on to creating the first piece of the puzzle, the client welcome packet. I'll go back to my document, copy the detailed prompt, and paste it into the chat. I want this packet to include a welcome message, an overview of how we'll work together, and a checklist of what I need from the client. As it generates, you can see it's building out sections for communication details, project tools, and a week-by-week breakdown of what the client can expect in those first 14 days. Next, I need a structured scope of work template to keep projects on track. I'll grab the next prompt from my notes, which asks for specific deliverables, a revision policy, and a project sign-off section. I'll paste this in, and ChatGPT creates a clear, professional outline. It covers everything from the content audit to the final delivery, making it very easy for a non-technical client to understand exactly what they are agreeing to. To gather the right information from my clients, I'll now generate a client intake questionnaire. I'll copy the prompt from my list and paste it in. I'm looking for about 10 to 12 focused questions that cover their business goals and brand voice. The result is a clean, organized list of questions that I can send over to any new client to get the insights I need to start the project successfully. Finally, I want to set clear boundaries and communication guidelines. I'll copy the final prompt from my notes, which covers preferred contact channels, response times, and what happens if a project needs to be paused or ended early. I'll paste this into the chat to create the working agreement. This document is essential for maintaining a healthy professional relationship. Within just a few minutes, I've used ChatGPT to create a full suite of onboarding documents that are ready to be polished and sent out to my next client. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.